Hello, Josh Hudson. We talk crypto. I'm here by the Hudson River. I'm going to do a little segment, switch it up, something called Hudson by the Hudson. I just made that up. But anyways, in this video, I'm going to be talking about Litecoin. This is a new coin I'm reviewing, and Litecoin, basically peer-to-peer, open source way of sending value from me to you, or from one person to another. Just like Bitcoin, its older golden brother, older digital golden brother. Same thing, forked off Bitcoin, took its code, and Charlie Lee, the founder, built an entirely new architecture and technology. Same thing, focuses on that blockchain, although it's new, but it promises faster transaction fees, better scalability, and faster transaction times. And this has been its value proposition ever since it came out. Charlie Lee, very talented man, used to work on Coinbase, used to work for Coinbase, I should say. Had experience developing blockchains and integrating it with exchange software to facilitate the buying of these currencies. So he has a lot of experience and he has a track record behind him. He's very vocal on Twitter, and when that man tweets, it tends to fluctuate the price a little bit, goes up or it goes down. Now, this is what I think about Litecoin. It's been around. It's like one of the earliest cryptos, and I think it has more usability as an actual currency besides Bitcoin. I also think that it's always going to be Bitcoin's little brother, right? You have digital gold and digital silver here. One is more store value and the other is more geared towards actual use cases of being used for the technology. You know, Litecoin is going to be used to facilitate transactions from merchants. In fact, I just paid my barber the other day in Litecoin to get things going. I just paid my friend from Litecoin for a concert ticket. There's a lot of things I've used Litecoin for because it's so fast and the transaction fees are low. So in terms of actual adoption, like Litecoin is making it easy for cryptocurrencies to be adopted. A lot of people are using it, and the way gold and silver works, I think, is the same relationship between Bitcoin and Litecoin. They move in the same direction with the charts in a bull run and in a bear run. When altcoins get pumped and Bitcoin slows down, Litecoin kind of slows down a little bit too. It gets pumped like other altcoins, but not as much. And this can be quick. I didn't spend a lot of time on Litecoin because it's pretty similar. I made a video about what Bitcoin is. Go check that out. I'm going to have a link that's going to pop up here pretty soon. Alright, so anyways, Litecoin, do I think it is a good investment and has investment potential? Okay, have to tell you guys something. I have invested in Litecoin before. I bought it around, say, $46 mark, and it's now around $220 at the time of this recording. So I took some profit and put it into the smaller alts just to diversify. I do plan on getting back into it sometime. Here's why I did that. The thing about Litecoin is it's always one of the first cryptos. It's always one of the first cryptos to adopt new technology. And by what I mean by that is anything forked off the Bitcoin blockchain, and a lot of these cryptos are because they forked off Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the OG. A lot of these smaller currencies do this because it was one of the first blockchains. Litecoin gets the technology that is innovative for the Bitcoin blockchain. If you haven't heard of atomic swaps, I suggest you take a look at it. It's something that will allow me to send something from my wallet directly to yours without the need of an exchange or a centralized exchange. It's almost like a decentralized exchange, but it's a technology that whoever uses it on that blockchain, I can send anything of value from me to you. Litecoin has adopted this. Litecoin has also adopted LitePay, which is something that has blown its price up a lot. This means that merchants are able to facilitate transactions and send something of value from one person to another. So basically, Litecoin just made itself a big payment processor. Sorry guys, all these cars going in the background. A lot of noise. But yes, payment structure. It's been able to do this through merchants, and it's the first to do these things, guys. It's always going to be the first to adopt new technologies. If there's Lightning Network, Litecoin may not need it, but it'd be the first to adopt these. So, do I think it's a good investment? Yes, because I think it runs parallel to Bitcoin. As a gold and silver movement, Bitcoin will always be there. If this thing doesn't bubble and it goes terribly wrong, Bitcoin will be one of the OGs that stay there along with Ethereum, and Litecoin will be there as well because it's silver to Bitcoin's gold. So that's how I see Litecoin. Hope you found this helpful and insightful, and I'd love to hear how you think about Litecoin. Do you think it's a good investment? Have you invested in it? Or do you think Bitcoin is just going to outcompete it? They can't share the same market. Let me know what you think. Interested in hearing. Josh, we talk crypto, out. Appreciate it.
Think about you,